In this lesson, we will be learning our next song called Muirsheen Durkin. This song begins with the chord A, and the strumming pattern for this song is strum 1, which is down, down, up. Since the chords of the verse and chorus are the same in this tune, we will only play the chords of the verse slowly together, and I'll call out the chords as we play along. The verse begins with the chord A, and we will be starting after 3. 1, 2, 3. In the A, E, 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 A, This time, we will sing the song a little quicker together, and we will be starting after 3. 1, 2, 3. In the days I went a-courting, I was never tired, resorting to the alehouse and the playhouse, and many a house beside. I told me brother Seamus I'll be off and be right famous, and before I come home again I'll roam the world wide. So goodbye Muirsheen Durkin, I'm sick and tired of working. No more I'll take the praties, no longer I'll be fooled. But as sure as me name is Carney, I'll be off to California, where instead of digging praties I'll be digging lumps of gold. I courted girls in Barney, in Kanturk and in Killarney, in Passage and in Queenstown, which is the Cove of Cork. Goodbye to all this pleasure now, I'm off to take my leisure, and the next time you will hear from me is a letter from New York. So goodbye Muirsheen Durkin, Instead of digging graves, I'll be digging lumps of gold. Goodbye to all the boys back home. I'm sailing far across the foam to try to make my fortune in far America. There's gold and jewels aplenty for the poor and for the gentry. And when I return again, I never more will stray. So goodbye, Muirsheen Durkin. I'm sick and tired of working. No more I'll dig the great teas. No longer I'll be food. But sure as me name is Carney, I'll be off to California, where instead of digging great teas, I'll be digging lumps of gold. When changing from one chord to another, especially for faster songs, you may find that you do not have enough time to place all of your fingers on the new chord. A very useful tip is to take your fingers off the chord for the last strum, giving you time to move your fingers into position for the first strum of the next new chord. Let's try putting this into practice using strum 1, which is down, down, up. Let's start off with the chord D, and remember to take your fingers off the chord for the last strum, which is an up strum. And we'll start after 2. 1, 2, down, down, off. And let's try that one more time after 2. 1, 2, down, down, off. Now, let's try moving from the chord D to the chord A 3 times. And we will be starting after 2. 1, 2, down, down, off, 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 down, down, off. And that's how we make it easier to change chords, especially when playing faster songs. Finally, we will sing the song one more time together at normal speed, and we will be starting after 3. 1, 2, 3. In the days I went to courting, I was never tired of resorting to the alehouse and the playhouse, and many a house beside. I told me brother Seamus I'll be off and be right famous, and before I come home again I roam the world wide. So goodbye, Muirsheen Durkin, I'm sick and tired of working. No ticking.